There's 1985 4-eyed convertible. Don't find Fox bodies for $2,500. This Fox body's Tar Heel approved, but so are all Fox bodies except Duke Blue Fox bodies. This is what you can do with those, Mr. Brutal.
We're in a 2010 Camaro that is owned by my brother.
Welcome back to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and no, we're not talking about my cars today. We're doing something a little bit different. I am actually with a former friend of the channel, hopefully still a current friend of the channel, but I'm here with Mr. odbcapri. And if you guys haven't seen the video he was on before, you definitely should check that out. He has, what year is your Capri actually?
82.
82, all right. I did a whole review on it, I don't remember, but it's an awesome car and it has a lot of changes. So definitely check that video out, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about actually his brother's 1985 4-eyed convertible. Ben, this is a little bit of a sad moment because what's happening with this car?
We're getting rid of it.
you are sending it on to someone else to use.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. That's the idea here, guys. So this one is for sale. It's a 1985, like I said, and this is actually a 3.8 V6, right? Yep. You said this has been rebuilt too.
Yeah, it's got 40,000 miles, about 40,000 miles on the rebuild.
Oh yeah, we also have Dad odbcapri here, so if you hear his voice, that's who that is. But 40,000 miles on the rebuild, and on the car in total, there's actually what, like 180? Okay, 180. Very cool. So, you know, not a lot of miles since the rebuild, really. I mean, and as far as, obviously it's convertible, 85, you know, the mileage. I mean, these are old school wheels here. I forgot what the name of these are. Do you remember what the name of these wheels are?
We call them stall blades. Stall
blades? All right, yeah, my dad used to have a set of these on his truck actually back in the 80s. I love them. But pretty much all stock car, right?
Yeah.
It's an automatic. It is an auto. Looks like we got aftermarket stereo. You guys recovered the seats?
Yeah.
So the seat.
So it was originally red interior. I mean, white and red interior.
White and red
car.
Okay.
Full color change to sonic blue. Full interior change to black and white.
Okay, actually I forgot that. So this is not even the original paint of the car. It was, you just said red, is that what you said?
But
okay.
The only place that's red is under the carpet.
Right, okay.
Everything else has been painted.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, it looks like they did a good job. I mean, you're all jammed out. So how long ago was it painted? Was it painted before you got it, or?
They did it in 2012.
2012. Okay, and you've had the car since 2009, I believe.
Yes.
Is that right? Yes. Okay, so a long time. It's been the family for, you know, 10 years now.
And it was a 2-owner car before we got it.
Okay, so this is just, you're the third owners here. So not a lot of owners on this car. Clean title. And this is obviously aftermarket spoiler, right? They didn't come with these.
Yeah, had a luggage rack.
Had a luggage rack. But I mean, other than that and the paint, I mean, I love the black interior too, by the way. That's awesome. Much better than the, what did you say it was? Red and white?
Canyon red.
Was it like, okay, canyon red.
Canyon red body, white and red interior.
Okay.
It was about 6 different colors of red when we got it.
The black is a really nice upgrade here. And I mean, obviously the dash, the instrument cluster rather, is in really good shape.
Original instrument cluster, original dash, aftermarket dash pad, original console.
Really clean car. Obviously didn't come with the cup holders, but very nice there. And nothing, motors all stock, right? Just
stock rebuild.
So
it's a little bit different cam. It's not a monster cam, but they put a different cam in it when they rebuilt it.
Okay. It's a little bit different cam.
Top 7 years old.
Yeah, and the top does work. You guys will see. I actually have some footage of the car with the top up, top down, and it coming down. So that all works great. And it is listed on what, Facebook Marketplace?
Yep, Facebook Market for $2,500.
So you guys heard the price there. You better get on this deal fast. You don't find Fox bodies for $2,500. I mean, we're not going to talk about what I paid for my last Fox body, but it was significantly more than $2,500. You know, this is a great. I saw a roller recently for $3,000. Just a roller, no engine, not a running car, and not even really as good a shape as this. So, you know.
And it's a car straight. Paint was done. There was minimal body work that they had to do to it. It's a 3.8 V6, like you said. It's a CFI injection. It's got.
Oh, so it's not carbureted. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, it's CFI injected. It's actually fuel injected.
Okay.
And then it's got a C5 3-speed auto trans, and so
that's a good trans actually. The C5.
It goes. I mean, when the car broke down from Harrisburg meet, this is what I drove home while he waited on the rollback.
When his Capri broke down, not this 85 ragtop. See, the Capri goes wah 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 and it breaks. This 85 ragtop doesn't go wah wah wah, but it just goes. It doesn't break down. By the way, he's rocking the Cruise and Brews shirt, and they do a lot of meets there. So if you guys ever want to see me out there, we go to that all the time if you're local. But yeah, that's a lot of fun. All right, well, why don't we? I think that's pretty much all the details on the car. Why don't we let them see how well it drives, and I'll jump in for a ride in it.
Sweet. Go in, you press in the clutch, and it's an automatic.
So the first problem we have already is Ben's looking for the clutch, which is the reason the Capri was down. But
yeah,
it's almost fixed.
Yeah, it'll be back tomorrow. So got to do the 500-mile braking period.
Yep. I'm gonna turn the volume down.
Hey, the radio works.
And Dad can't bear to part with it, so he's gonna stay here. Let's not be too long. I feel bad leaving your dad.
Oh, no, he's good.
So I rode over here, and I'll say already that it rides very comfortably. It doesn't feel like the suspension is, you know, what, 34 years old?
It's new suspension. It's original springs, but it's got just stock replacement shocks and struts.
Stock replacement. Yeah, I mean that's good. Oh, I got a little more room. All right. The 6'5" man can fit. Now this is actually it's not bad. Now the AC
does not work. Right? But it had been converted to R134.
Oh, it has already.
Yep,
okay, just stock brakes. Pretty much just a stock car, but it looks nice.
Yeah,
I think it will be a great car for someone just getting into cars, first time car. You know, high school, somebody like, or a project like you said.
Father son project, or a decent car that, you know, you've got a good straight body, you want to do a V8 351 302 swap on.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So and it's got manual windows.
Manual locks.
Manual locks too. Okay. Yep. And
all of them work.
The good part is that they're going to work because they're manual.
Yeah.
You know? I mean.
Oh yeah.
Let's not talk about my convertible rear quarters. I don't want to talk about that right now.
Yeah, so there's actually a company that you can build these motors through. It's called like 3.8 Nation or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it is, but they've got all the heads, everything.
Oh, really?
The motor.
So you could actually hop this motor up, this 3.8, if you wanted to. Okay.
I'd convert it to fuel injection. It's the same motor off of the 94 to.
You're talking about EFI. You converted to
EFI.
Because it's technically fuel injected, right?
No, it's CFI. It's centralized fuel injection.
Okay.
It's basically a carburetor with 2 fuel injectors in it.
I hope that Ben's not setting me up to drive me out here and kill me.
No,
not this time.
Not this time.
He thought about it, but then I pulled up in the Jetta, the beater, and it wasn't Tar Heel Fox. Like, all right, we'll let him live.
It wasn't worth stealing from him.
Right. So this car's pretty much sat the same way since the last 8 years or so, basically.
Yeah, once they did the rebuild, it was just a driver. My brother drove it through high school and 4-part of college, and then he ended up with another Mustang.
Did he daily it?
Yeah, he dailied it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So he dailied it. I actually dailied it for a little bit while he was in college, just switching cars back and forth. He ended up taking the one I was driving to college, and I drove this one around for a couple months. So
I have never actually dailied the car, a Mustang, a FoxBody anyway.
It's fun. Yeah. It's fun until you got to fix it for the drive to work the next day.
Right. I've always had a beater, even though I've owned the convertible for 15 years now. So.
Wow.
Oh, we just passed the Tar Heel sign.
We did.
So they need to buy that car.
Yeah.
I'm in it. This FoxBody's Tar Heel approved, but so are all FoxBodies except Duke Blue FoxBodies. You guys know what you can do with those. If you haven't seen that, you should watch Brutal's channel. My daughter drew a picture sending of a Duke Blue FoxBody because he was calling me out, and she drew the picture of the FoxBody on fire. And I said, this is what you can do with those, Mr. Brutal.
But as far as someone wanting to buy this car, definitely, you know, you could change the entire appearance of the car with wheels and then lowering the car.
Yeah, that would be huge, just that.
Yeah.
And for $2,500, man, that's still... If I had more room in the garage.
We're still confused on why it hasn't sold.
Well, because this video hasn't been out yet.
There we go. Making the video to sell it.
And here's what I'll do actually. If anybody does see this video and they buy the car because of the video, and you want to do a video of you buying the car, you just want to meet me when you buy the car, I will make that happen. I don't know why anybody would, but I'm just saying. If you want me to come out and document you picking up this car, I'll be more than happy to do that. Yeah.
And you can drive it home. I mean, you don't have to bring a trailer.
Right.
I mean, a couple hours away, come get it, drive it home.
That's awesome, because I bought the SSP and it wasn't like that.
Right.
And I thought, well, maybe I could have drove this home, and then I broke down the first day I had it, so I'm glad I didn't try to drive it back from Tennessee.
Yeah, that would have been rough.
Yeah. You guys notice anything behind me? It's another FoxBody. They're everywhere. Hi. 500.
Oh wait.
Okay. Guys, we found the owner. This is Ben's brother Drew here with me. This car's getting sold. I heard it was your first car.
Yeah, this is my first car.
Had it since 14, is that right?
Yeah, 14 years old, and it was kind of a family project. My dad, uncle, grandfather at the time, we all kind of pitched in.
You started all this FoxBody mess, right? Basically.
I basically did, yeah. I guess you could say it was before the big Fox bike race. When we first started,
yeah.
I think the only thing really around was Fox Restoration. I think they had just, they just moved to Locust maybe.
That's so funny because they're regulars on my channel now.
Oh,
Matt and Jen, yeah.
Okay.
So he's plugging you guys. I don't even have to plug you. He's plugging you. What?
It's time to move it along someone who will enjoy it more than I have. If you see, I've moved on to a Chevy.
Yeah, we're gonna cut that part.
Kind of started me on my car journey.
Yeah.
I want someone to get it. It's gonna take care of it, enjoy it.
Everybody's got to start somewhere.
Yeah.
So
absolutely. So yeah,
that's awesome, man. Well, we'll try to get it somewhere to a good home for you. That's the idea of this video. So hopefully someone will take it home, and maybe we'll get a video of them driving it away. Who knows?
Hey, that'd be awesome.
Yeah. In the meantime, enjoy your Camaro for like, I don't know, another year, and then go get a GT500. All right, guys. So I'm wrapping up here. If you guys are interested in the car, I'll put all the contact information you need below. There's a Facebook link that has all the information on it, as well as I will give you Ben's phone number. So please don't spam it. Link in description below. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.
A 2010 Camaro that is owned by my brother.
What are you doing to me, man?
We're doing outtakes for the YouTube channel. This is the fun one.
Oh man, it's a 6-speed, huh?
Yeah.
Woo.
Being torquey, dude.
Guys, I hope I survive this one. Oh, you missed the Capri, don't you?
I do. I can't do that in the Capri because the T5 would blow up.
You know, I've never actually ridden in the Capri, but now that I've ridden with you in this car, I'm really scared to ride with you in the Capri. It was something I was looking forward to. No longer, guys. Something's coming, guys. Something's coming. There it is. It's the Capri. Congrats on getting it back, man. You missed the sound, didn't you? Or you can still hear it, you just couldn't.
Oh yeah, no, you can still hear it.
Well, that's awesome, dude.